Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial. I'll show you how to make two shapes at once. If you're good. No, I'm just kidding, I'll show you. Right. That's an optical illusion of shapes if you think about it. Here's what we do. We're going to put this together. We've got a fully inflated and stretched balloon. Just a little bit left, about 1.5 inches left at the tail. We're going to take it and we're going to make a bubble at the nozzle end. That's just about 1 inch or 1.5 inches long. Just like that. We're going to do the same thing at the tail end. Just about 1 inch or 1.5 inches long. Now that we've got those, we're going to put them together. And we're going to do the thing from when we made the swan. If you haven't seen that video. Oh, I should have referenced this video in that video. Doesn't matter. We're going to push this in halfway, just about like that. Try to keep them even. We're going to twist here into this part, just like this. All right. Just have to orient these on the same side. Now, what does that look like? Oops. It's a hummingbird. Or, if you look at it this way, it's a hornet.